Good morning. Welcome to the shop. What's happening, everybody? Another chilly day over here in Long Island, New York. Back on the X2 650 Kawasaki. We're gonna do a compression test today to see how much further I'm gonna go on this motor. If we're lucky, I just gotta clean it up, take care of some maintenance issues, and get it back in. Worst case, sleeves, rings, head gasket, reed valves, we don't know. But this compression test is gonna tell us a lot. So we'll take it step by step and I'll show you how to do it. It's gonna be a quick video. This isn't hard. First we're going to take out the plugs. Already got them loose. These are NGK B7ES. B7ES. Couple of those for a tune-up. Got your basic compression test kit. It's just a gauge. You got your push-in test hoses and your screw-in adapters for all your different size spark plug holes. Kawasaki is pretty standard, so it should just be the hose that you need. Yep, look at that. It's just the hose. Fits right in, no adapters needed. Things were good back in the old days, you know? Set. You can give it a little snug. Just a little. We don't want to ruin the O-ring, but I don't want a bad test just because I didn't tighten it enough. Then your gauge is a quick release. Bing, clicks right in. This is your air release. To run the motor, I got a hook to the new battery that we're going to be putting in Jetski. Negative is screwed on. This is your positive. Power right to the starter. That'll spin you up. And I strap the motor to the desk always, because you never know. Motor could flip on you, it could be locked up, it could take off, it could vibrate off the bench. You don't want to worry about that. That's the last thing you want. Alright, that's it. Let's give her a spin and see what we get. Cylinder number 1. Give her about 5 seconds. Oh, not in all the way. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. Wasn't expecting that. Can you see that from there? 150. That's amazing for a 40-year-old engine. 1986. Man, you got newer cars with way worse compression than that. Looking good. Let it sit for a little bit. Let's see how the leak down is. Not bad. We're not moving at all. It's holding it. With the oil, you could do even better. You know, it's holding it enough for that freaking stroke. Alright, let's check number 2. Release the air. Unscrew it. We'll go to cylinder number 2. Wow, that's really surprising. You're seeing these numbers for the first time with me. I don't like doing things twice, so most things you see are going to be first time. Me and you. Mistakes and all. Alright, cylinder number 2. Hold it right there for you. 5 seconds. I'm not even going to look. You're going to look. What do we got? Oh, another 150. Holy cow, wow. Man, a healthy motor is anywhere from 135 to 150. That's top of the line. That's like just just floated out of the showroom, huh? You know, a tired motor is going to be about 110 to 120. 100 and less, you're rebuilding it. If you come low like that, if you get like 100, 110, you know, put a teaspoon of 2-stroke oil in there. Run it for a couple seconds. If it spikes, you're probably looking at piston rings. If it stays the same, it's probably a head gasket or leaky reed valves. You know, so could be good, could be bad, but we're looking good, man. Looking for another couple summers of fun with this engine. Great. Great. So maybe I'll just get in there with the borescope, endoscope, whatever you want to call it, whatever my doctor calls it. Just want to see if there's anything noticeably on the walls or on tops of the pistons. I doubt it. I really doubt it with that compression. We'll see. Oh, so that's a 1986 X2. Last time this thing was ridden was 27 years ago in 1998. You know, but with the price of jet skis nowadays, if we could get this fixed, get a couple more summers out of it, it's worth it. For a couple bucks it's gonna cost, you know. Mostly getting used parts anyway, because they're so hard to find. Nobody's making the new parts, you know. So that's great. So next we're gonna, you know, open up like the manifolds. Gonna see, because the old carburetor, really rusty. You could tell. See that the screws rusted off. Piece of the butterfly. So I might find that in there. So I don't want that in there. We gotta get that out of there. You know, I want to check out the reeds. You know, basically clean it out. Sand. Throw a little coat of paint on here. And that's it. Nice short video for us today, huh? Quick. To learn how to do a little compression test real fast. You know, these kits are cheap. 20 bucks. Amazon. You know, and you learn a lot. That 20 bucks can tell you a lot. Alright. Till next time. Enjoy. See ya.